Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see measurement and improvement of earth resistance in low voltage distribution site. It is basically complex engineering problem in our course power distribution and utilization system. Earthing is very necessary in electricity and electrical field and everywhere where we have electricity and its appliances. So first of all, let's we see objectives of earthing. First of all, we have standard compliances. Standard compliances mean that from IEEE we have some standard that we have to follow. First of all, the value of resistance. Standard value of resistance which is preferable in earthing. That is less than 5 ohm according to IEEE standard. And resistance improvement method, that how you can improve the resistance of your earth. And the third thing is earthing construction and measurement, that how could you construct the whole process and how could you measure the whole scenario, and how could you preferably saying that my I have clearly and no doubt about my system that is safe or not safe. So let's try to solve this kind of problem and this kind of objective. So let's see what is earthing. First of all, it is intentional earth connection. We intentionally connect our whole system to the earth. And the second, it is a safe current path to the faulty current or any current that happen during shock. And third is electrical system grounding. We ground the whole system that we are used in daily routine or we do maintenance of it, and any appliances we do grounding of it. And now types of earthing, there are many types of earthing depend upon us that which we are going to prepare build. Pipe earthing, plate earthing, wire strip earthing, and water plate earthing. Again, what is earthing? Earthing is used for safety purpose, for protection purpose, and for stability purpose. Now equipment and tool that is used during earthing. Primary equipment is earth resistance meter, auxiliary test rod, and connection lead and copper rod. This is earthing meter, this is auxiliary rod, and this is connecting lead, and this is copper rod. The copper rod, in this scenario we are using 3 meter of copper rod, and supporting tool like hammer, safety gloves, and many other things which we have used in the whole process. And now measurement method. In this scenario we use 3-point method which work on Ohm's law. In this method we have one rod is round about 10 meter, uh, 10 meter across the whole radius, and the second is one is around about 5 meter, and the third one is around about 2 meter in the whole radius. So we take three reference point and compare it with the our digging that we have to do. And now total duration of treatment. In this project we have 1 month around about, and we treat the earth with plain water and salt water. Now this is the whole data that we collect in one earth, and we have randomly some data and randomly time that we are free, and then we go on site visit and collect all the data. Now the main difference between ground, earth, neutral, and zero potential. So first of all, definition of these four terminologies. Ground is reference point to the earth, earthing metal part that is exposed to the earth, neutral is a return part in AC and DC system, and zero potential is theoretically 0 volt reference. Now purpose of these: grounding is used for safety purpose and earthing is used in shock protection. Neutral is a circuit completion process and zero potential is measurement or reference that we theoretically do. Current flow in these four terminologies are faulty only. In ground there we only faulty current flow, same as in earth, and in neutral normal, in normal operation current flow easily in it because it completes the circuit, and in zero potential is theoretically point, so no current flow in at zero potential. Voltage difference in these four terminology is 0 volt, grounding at reference, the earthing sometime near about 0 volt, and neutral 0 volt but not 0 because some of the charge is 0 in neutral, and zero potential is 0 ideal case. Its ideal case we get it theoretically. Connection of these four is earth, ground is connected to earth or chassis and earth equipment electrode. Neutral is transformer star, its example of neutral wire, and zero potential is reference dependent. Now final result and conclusion of our project. Initially our resistance is 499 ohm and finally we do 226 ohm. Improvement is 94%. Project duration is 20 days or round about 1 month, and material that we use in our project is 15 pouches salt, 137 liter water and 2 gram graphite powder. Status of our project is safe and complement. And this is a graph that how our resistance is decreased with time. You can see it. And this is a practical side picture of our project. This is a digging area, this is a meter difference reading that we take, and this is the route that we use in our project. You can see in this video all the scenario that how we do earthing. So you can see easily in this tools video. Thank you. Any question if you have?